So hi guys, today I'll be showing you stuff that I got from, like vending machines. These were all $2, like how, I don't know, but they were all $2. So I got this one yesterday. I know he's a little bit grubby now, sorry, but I got him yesterday. And then the ones that I have not opened, these ones are from yesterday. So I got this one. I'll open it if I can. Sorry, this is like taking so long. But I'm like, oh, got it. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. Set it free. And it's like so big. I'm like, ah. Yeah, so that means I have that. And then another thing. I'm like trying to like chop it or something. Like, ooh. Okay, I'll just show you the bouncy ball. So this is a bouncy ball. And it has a dolphin inside. Dolphin. See this one. Like some, I know there is something inside just blending in with the capsule thing. So it's just really hot. Three, two, one. Oh. Look at this. Like it's like flat and then look at that. It's so cute. I think it's like, I don't know if it's like, I don't know why, but I'm smelling it. It smells good. I don't know why. And then we have like, I think it's, I don't know, it's pink. I could say pink. So, it's something. It's something. Is that rose smushy or something? What is, if anyone can say, what is that? It's like a little like flower. Oh, I know, it's a bunny. So cute. It's so cute. Now, I will show you the little family I have. Okay, wait. Oh, wait, let me grab something. Sorry, just need it. This is way better. Showing you. That was the bouncy ball. Doesn't want to stay. So. Oh, it's a little good. Oh, that one just fell. And that one just fell. And that one just fell. I'm like, this is sticking. Yeah, bouncy ball. So, yeah. Look at the mic. Look at the mic. This is so cute. I don't know how they got this one like so flat. Like, look how flat that is. Oh yeah, and that's nice and stretch. So I can't believe I got this from vending machines. Look, it's so cute. And hit the like button if you think I should do more videos like this, and please subscribe. That will be a great help. And I will be posting more videos soon. And yeah, and please, and down below I will list 3 channels for you to please go and subscribe to. And if you can, then that would be so great. And it will be on YouTube too. And yeah, and hit the like button if you also think I should do more of these videos, and also a clean my room video, clean my closet video, something like that. And if you can comment, then comment down below what was sorry, that was my dad in the background. Sorry. And comment down below which one, if you could choose one of these, which one would you choose? This like penguin clear soft one, or this cute little bunny, I think it's a scrunchie or a bow, something, or like this, or comment down below, or if you want, I think it's like an owl or something. So either comment green, yellow, clear, or pink. Or if you even like the bouncy ball better. So yeah, oh, sorry, oh there it is. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and comment some video ideas and I will pin your comment. And thanks. I'm sorry I'm saying thanks so many times, I'm sorry. And if you want me to do some unboxing videos, cleaning videos, any type of video, just link it down below and I'll do more of those types of videos. Maybe music videos, or how to knit. If you anyone wants to learn how to knit, I could do some knitting videos. Or even if it's a parent watching this, then they can like do some games, like math games videos. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.